Hi, and welcome to Anmaree's Workshop. My name is Anne-Marie, and I love to make things with joy. If you like to make things with joy, you found the right place. Please like, subscribe, and share. And turn on those notification bell so you can find out when I drop new content. So, this is day 11 or 12, I think, of my Sew Reversible Challenge. And I had a recommendation for you. It's hot here in Jamaica, y'all. I mean, really hot, okay? So I'm all about the sleeveless, and nothing is a better sleeveless shirt than the Ogden Cami. Can you tell I'm a fan? Now, an Ogden Cami is such a wonderful camisole pattern. It's one of my favorites. I've made it in so many different reiterations. I will show you those different reiterations right now. So, if you want to try a reversible garment and you're not ready for something that's kind of complicated, try an Ogden Cami. You can't go wrong.